Here we have a problem on evaluating expression. So that is we have to evaluate the expression over here for the given values of A, B and C. Okay, here in our first step what we need to do is we have to plug in the given values for A, B and C into the expression over here. So when I plug in A is equal to 4, then I'll be getting 4 to the third power negative, and for B we have negative 3 the whole square positive, C is 7 and the value of A is 4 and positive AB positive B, AB positive C, that is we have to multiply A and B. So A is 4 and B is negative 3, positive C is 7. Actually, we have three different paths here in this expression. So all the three paths are separate. So we can evaluate each path separately. So there is no connection between the three paths over here. So when I evaluate this particular part, 4 to the third power, it is 4 times 4 times 4. So the evaluation of this 4 cube is 64. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Okay, when I want to evaluate this fraction, first I have to evaluate the expression in numerator, because the numerator is separate from the denominator 4. But in numerator, we have two operations. One is the exponent and other one is addition. So which one has to be done first? So we have to follow PEMDAS. So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. So PEMDAS is a rule which tells us the order of operations. So whenever we have a numerical expression which contains multiple operations, so we can use PEMDAS to know so which operation has to be done first and which one has to be done next and so on. So in PEMDAS, the first letter is P. P means there is parenthesis. So if we have parenthesis in our numerical expression, first we have to do the stuff inside the parenthesis and then we have to do exponents because we have E. Then multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Okay, here, so we don't have parenthesis. Actually, we have parenthesis, but even though we have parenthesis, we have just a number, negative 3 inside the parenthesis. Okay, now let's move to the second letter in PEMDAS, that is exponent. So here we have exponent. So we have exponent first and then we have addition. So in this numerator, first we have to do evaluation for this exponent and then we have to do evaluation for this addition. Okay, then what is the evaluation of this negative 3 the whole square? So negative 3 the whole square means we have to write this negative 3 twice and multiply. So negative times negative will become positive, 3 times 3 is 9. So the evaluation of this negative 3 square is positive 9. So 9 positive 7 over 4 positive. And this is completely separate. And here we have parentheses. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to do the stuff inside the parentheses. But inside the parentheses, we have two operations, multiplication and addition. So here we have multiplication first and then we have addition in PEMDAS. So let's do multiplication. So when I multiply 4 times negative 3, it will become negative 12, positive 7, okay, 64, negative. So here, when I simplify the expression over here in numerator 9 positive 7, it will become 16 over 4 positive. Now, let's simplify this one, negative 12 positive 7. The simplification of this one is negative 5. And here, let's simplify this fraction. 4 goes into 4 one times, 4 goes into 16 4 times. So I get 64, negative 4, positive times negative will become negative 5. Okay, here we have two subtractions. We can do one by one. So when I do the first subtraction, that is 64, negative 4, it will become 60, negative 5. Now, if I subtract 5 from 60, I'll be getting 55. So the value of the given expression is 55.